Yo, what's up, man? I'm doing a bike check on my Colony Phantom. I run the Colony Phantom frame with a premium fat seat with a t-shirt cover. It's a piece of shit right now. Getting a new Fiend seat in a little bit. Pivotal seat post. To the back, I run Kenda stock tire with a Odyssey hazard rim laced to a proper hub. I ride Shadow Little One pegs. Moving on to the cranks, I run Colony cranks with Odyssey twisted pedals. To the other side, as you can see, I run the Profile sprocket. Moving on to the front end, I ride the Nathan William United grips, best grips ever. Colt Death Row bars. Moving on to the front, I run Eastern Nitrous forks with Shadow tire folding, then a Demolition rim laced to a Proto BMX hub, best front hub ever. Shadow stem, Colony headset. That's basically it. That's my bike, guys. So there you go.